Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people are having problem with the CBP One app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve your problem, how to fix most of the problems with the CBP One app, and then why the CBP One app is having issues. So first of all, the CBP One app is having issues because a lot of people are using it, right? And again, it depends on your location, and then what kind of internet connection that you have, the memory space you have on your phone, and then how fast is your phone, right? So if you have a newer phone, of course it's gonna work faster for you. But if you have an older phone, of course that's how it's gonna work for you, right? Make sure that you have the latest software or the latest version of the CBP One app installed, and then also you can update the application after you uninstall it. Okay, all right. Not log in, or if we have issues in the login to the app, is to clear out the cache on the phone, right? So as you can see on the screen, all you have to do, you go into the application, to the apps, you open the CBP One application, and then you click on storage. After you click on storage, then you click on clear cache, right? So it's that easy. That's how you do it. It's simple. Just clear cache. So the next step, after you clear cache, if that doesn't help, all you have to do now is to uninstall the application. You click on the application, you hold on to it, you see the option says remove the application, uninstall the application, right? So after you clear your cache, if that doesn't fix the problem, then you can uninstall the application. It's very simple, very easy to do. And then the next step here is to scan your face, right? Some people are having issues with scanning their face on the phone. So first of all, you have to hold the phone in front of you really close, but not too close. You have to hold the phone upright, and again, make sure that there is good lighting, where you're at, right? Where you stay, make sure there's a light in the room, or if you're outside, make sure the sun is not covering your face. Make sure that it's a good shade, it's clear, and then it should work. So I hope these steps help you guys to resolve your problems with the CBP One app, and then taking photos of yourself. Okay, please like and subscribe. Please share this video so someone else can watch it. Okay, thank you for watching.